Because you didn't like me at first, did ya?
I wouldn't say I didn't like you. I just felt like your energy. Like, I like to observe the room, and I just feel like you was just very antisocial at first. Like you just sat in the corner of the table.
I went in the corner of the table. I thought you said
look at him, he's very fast, bro.
Don't look at me.
No, not like that.
King Richez, blood.
No, not like that. Not even like that. I just think you were sitting at the edge of the table and you had headphones in. And like you didn't acknowledge anyone, you didn't say hi to anyone. So I was just a bit like, who is this guy? Just some hench guy just sitting there with his 2 plats. Like, who does he think he is? Like not saying hi.
Now.
He didn't even say hi to anyone. So I was like, all right, cool. And then when we got inside and we did like the introduction, we started to talk more. And I was like, oh, he's actually really calm. Like,
what was your experience on BKCHAT? Like, how did you take it? Is there anyone that you was like, I don't like, or I like, or whatever? Like,
I think I kind of got on with everyone a little bit here and there. I never had any direct problems with anyone. I was never beefing anyone. I never argued with anyone really too tough when we were recording. So it was actually
some nice
calm.
guy there, bruv.
Yeah, I came there to just debate and go home. I didn't come there to fight guys. That's not my type of vibe. Do you get it?
That's what I'm saying. You shouldn't be fighting people, bruv.
Well, you were fighting guys though.
I never had no fight on there though. That's the thing. You keep saying I had a fight. Bare people,
yeah. Do you know what? Do you know what? Can we talk about that?
I came from boxing today, bro. Punching people
That's
today
a fight.
and Wednesday. That's fighting, bro.
Yeah.
Do you get what I'm saying?
The
That's why
whole
when I
what-
hear
what is
fighting,
not
I'm like, anybody that actually steps in the ring, you know what a fight is. You've boxed before. You know what a fight is. Like arguing with somebody or someone throwing insults is just like, I don't care.
Yeah,
hello, can I intervene here with the whole China situation, because I knew that was going to happen. I feel like everyone knew that was going to happen. Like you can't have two. You could just tell.
You can't have two of you guys.
You could just tell.
The only reason that happened is because there was previous. That's why.
Obviously we don't
it was a
know.
build-up type of shit.
We don't know that, but I'm just saying from like what I sensed.
I can tell you that now, though.
Yeah, okay, thank you. But I'm just saying from what I sensed, I knew that was gonna happen. I just didn't know when.
No, I'm not really. I'll be real with you. I'm not that kind of person that. Oh yeah, he's trying to be the guy. I don't care if someone's trying to be the guy, bruv. I don't care because I know I'm securing me in it. I've been the MVP of my team before.
Facts.
Sorry.
No, real talk. Like, people know me in real life, like American football and all this. Like, people know me in real life. Like, do you get what I'm saying? So I don't have to go on podcasts to prove I'm something. Do you get it? Like, and I have my own podcasts. Yeah?
He's
it right now.
He's throwing shots. You're throwing shots low key.
No, I'm not throwing shots, but everything I'm saying is true.
No, I know what you mean.
Do you get what I'm saying? I don't say lies. I don't make up stuff. Like, do I
But a lot of people
yes,
go on
like,
BKCHAT to CLOUT chase though.
Yeah.
A lot of people go on BKCHAT to CLOUT chase.
110. You can tell when you watch it who's there for the clout, and this is their life, and this is what they have to hold on to. It's just too much. It was too much. I was with too many different characters.
What makes you what kind of things would make you look at someone and think, oh, they're here for clout? What kind of things would they do?
Way too loud.
Yeah.
Just way too loud. Like you don't.
I'm loud. So what
no, but like just unnecessarily, like, and just let people speak. I think it's very important that you read the room and let everyone speak. Like, don't just always feel like you need to take the light all the time. And I think certain people, as much as they're like great characters for the show, I just feel like they should just read the room more. There was just a lot of weird stuff that was happening behind the scenes that I didn't really agree with, but I just had to leave. That's why I left. I haven't actually announced. I think I haven't announced that on any podcast before that I actually left early. I left earlier than I was supposed to because I couldn't take it anymore. And unfortunately, that's the episode that BKCHAT decided to air first. The last one that I did. The last episode where I had enough after like 7 episodes. I said, I've had enough. I need to get out of here. That's the one that they air first. That was very annoying.
Would you say that you wasn't mentally strong enough to be on a show like that?
At the time, no, I wasn't. I didn't know that though. I didn't know. I thought I could handle it, but I don't like fakeness. I don't have to be in a room with fakeness, and there was just so much of it. Every week it was a build up of new stories, And I was just like, I can't affiliate myself with this. I need to actually detach myself, because as much as people think I like drama or whatever, I really don't. I like peace. Peace is my first priority. So when someone tries to make me feel like I'm something I'm not, or they're trying to draw me out, and I'm like, no, I love people. I'm a lovely person, but don't try and make me feel like I'm trying to like cause an argument.
Do you know what? I feel the exact same way. I never understood when people trying to draw me out, like for no reason, like. Like, I'm trying to be just hit there, participate, get me. King Richez, done no. YouTube, done no. 92,000 subscribers, done no. Get me. But did I put that in no one's face? No.
Do you know
just
what?
came and did my thing, and then, like, these pipsqueaks will come and start saying dumb shit to me, bruv. And I'm like, bruv, like, what are you talking about, fam?
Well, can I ask you a question?
Like,
because you had a moment on BKCHAT that no one has seen where you was annoyed for like the whole day, and then the next week you were still annoyed, so it affected the whole room. Like, you have such a huge presence, so when you was down, I felt like everybody felt that energy, and I was down. I was like trying to offer you food, I tried to offer you snacks. You was just
I know what episode you're talking about.
You wasn't having it. He was just zoned out. Is that how you deal with, like, when you're going through a lot of stuff? Do you just zone out?
Like, I think that, do you know what I think? Yeah, a lot of times guys go through a lot of crap, and we just have to just firm it, innit? Do you get what I'm saying? And it's like, it's just a man up kind of thing. Do you get what I'm saying? Which I don't think is fair, but that's just reality. And like, Agbo will tell you, like, a lot of times, you as a man, you're just gonna have to affirm things, and there's no one really gonna be like, oh, let me hug you, like, better. No one don't care when men go through stuff, bruv.
No,
the only time people care is when it's flipping women, children, and dogs. That's it.
That's what we think.
Yeah.
Facts.
Not if you have a rider, like a girl that's riding for you.
Rider.
There's riders out there, you know.
You're saying riders, yeah, but if you're some useless bum, she's just not gonna be with you.
But but he's not a useless bum, so he can get a rider.
No, I'm saying I'm saying
that's a broad.
I'm saying a lot of girls they pretend to be like
riders.
really down for you, and they're not.
Really, that's scary, boy.
Yeah,
that's scary.
Yeah, they are.
That's scary, man.
Women lie.
Me, like,
a lot of women lie.
I don't see the point.
Of what?
Lying.
They're ashamed of the truth.
They lie to manipulate and get what they want.
Yeah.
That's so much that's so much energy.
So you've never lied to a guy?
No. I'm too straight up.
You've never lied to a guy?
About what?
About anything?
Not that I can think of.
You've never lied to a guy in your life?
I don't know. Oh, well, maybe if I'm faking an orgasm. Maybe if I'm faking an orgasm.
That's the lie in itself. That's the lie in itself, dude. That's one of the biggest lies.
Okay, I'm not perfect, but I mean, like, I'm just very honest. Like, actually, no. When I like a guy now,
faking an orgasm, that's not honest.
No, like,
you should tell him, hey, listen, your willy's not doing
that's just once or twice, like ages ago, like years ago. But like, that's still a lie, right?
Peak.
It is a lie, because you're making him think that he's doing something. So then, after you, because you're probably not going to want to date with him no more, he's going to go to the next girl, do the same technique, the same techers, that's not working.
He's doing a
Maybe it works on another girl.
He's banging in goals, he's not. Maybe. He's missing wide.
Maybe it work on another girl. It can work on another girl.
That's
everyone's different. Everyone's body, no, but everyone's body is
highly
different.
unlikely.
Everyone's body is different, though. Like, maybe another person can enjoy it. You ain't a female, so how are you supposed to know how we feel like?
I don't want to answer that.
Smashed females.
Yeah, but you don't know what it feels like to be.
You don't have a willy. You don't have a willy.
And you don't have a vagina. So what are you saying? But you don't know what it feels like to have one. So you cannot talk if you don't have a vagina. You don't know what it feels like. So you can't say anything.
True.
Thank you. So you just accept it as well.
I've heard feedback. I've got a lot of feedback.
That's not the
I've
same
gathered
thing.
a lot of intel.
Exactly.
Not the same thing.
I've done a lot of research.